right twabachira akola media production amazina Kabulijon Skainana kandi nyine Beazin ZJ obotwajana program omwerazo kandi right about now twabatwara Tooro so twenda kubahereza amakuru agaragato Beazin. What do you say about
yes nkoko abare bitu abashobora n'umuntu batandika program y'abantu muri yo mwerazo Nkore media igochora kuri subscribe to always watch what we put there kugira ngo following all media platforms twatagana result za Tooro twara unity.
Today we are looking at the second chance at marriage. Princess Komuntale tales of troubles after her first marriage.
Princess Komuntale
Princess Komuntale and Princess Tooro and twarebaho in 2021 akaija yafuna umushinja and that it was the royal wedding between the Princess of Tooro, Ruth Komuntale and Christopher Thomas took Ugandans by storm. So although there were concerns about our princess marrying an American, we soon swept them under the carpet and with open arms accepted Christopher Martins. Beazin, in 2021,
it was 2012.
Yeah. The royal princess akija yafuna ko
umushiza Thomas akaenda na company ikora perfumes. I remember very well.
That's very right.
And patejo ekintecho chikija cha leta storm in the country, like the princess had moved out of the country, not only in the kingdom. Not only in the kingdom, she crossed to abroad, America. So chata storm chakora mahure mnonga. But recently it was second chance. Princess Komuntale second chance. Yokufuna ubufumbo ninga so bushwero busa mu Nkore we want to see what happened. Ninga nichimanisa Komuntale kuruga omuka akashwerwa handi kandi ari princess. Of course abantu nkaba bahango mu kingdoms na public figures twatu in following yaman twatu n'abantu abakutekerezamo twatu n'abantu abakwenda baturebereho ibintu bitukora mwe Komuntale kurugomuka yashurwemo with the official marriage. By the
other people of Tooro and the country at large were excited that very day. Princess Komuntale na kandi omkundwa wa abroad womjungu. However, the event that was the talk of the town and considered to be a fairly tally didn't last long. After a year, to the agitation of many, the couple had called it quits. So, banyuma yokufuna bofumbo kandi antuleba Komuntale, Princess Komuntale akagaruka ya breaking up na Christopher. What do you think about that?
You are bakora research like akija ya breaking off. The chamber breaking off no mushishori and touch.
So, according to our research, Princess Kuya is in America. No manyebi yabana baba kabaka ya yanga kutegekwa. Abana chireba Beazin.
Abana babaga.
Yeah.
Nechagande no mwisti,
of course. She had her life. Atijaka kuriya yareba ngu biriya nabyo kumutegeka muya obusinje bweye. So yashara mu let me quit. While we may never get to know the entirety of what caused the breakup, Princess Komuntale, in an Instagram post about a job promotion, she received gifts from inside into the matter.
So nichona njeza okugambira tejali kinonani na wewe Komuntale na basaya okuzayo akali nabashija bingi.
Yeah, of course.
Had a lot of men bagumana invading no mubushwero bwa bagumana babutamu of course okubatamu
tureba bakaba mpereza nebelabo such things.
So echo tikubasa kanga umuntu kugira Komuntale karugayo nabasa kuba yabiwa bintu abakazi bagagwa nenjoke kababiha.
So Komuntale says after her separation from Thomas, she moved to Texas 7 years ago. While the aim of starting over, she wanted a new life after what she calls a poisonous breakup marriage with a wrong person.
Wait, a poisonous broken marriage with a wrong person.
Yeah, hata hanatira when my yoku breaking up ejo marriage akajeta obutwa obano chenga akana enda kufuna
ejo marriage yokubanza.
Yeah, marriage je yakujire mu before atakafunire je ikumuhati. Yeah, ejo marriage akajeta poisonous broken marriage.
Wano rebe jotamwe kenda kugeza kujitabo munda mnongo ninga kwenda kujichenga. No reba ngo it was Komuntale that never felt well, like she was not feeling comfortable with that marriage. So we are breaking the love, not Thomas. Bambe our Muko was a good loving man, but surprisingly Komuntale no had the mobile.
So she adds that she was falsely accused by people and tabloids because of the lies that came from her ex-husband, who cited adultery as causes of her divorce.
She added that she was falsely accused by people and tabloids because the lies that came from her ex-husband.
Hati akafuna nomanya kwa kuheza kwa hetizibu abantu bana bakola kibatandika kugamba ne so she was tormented akafuna okugambwaho orugambo rukatambura
kai wano tugambira ngo bakamugamba ho rugambo rwinji rwo bakamukwata na shamba ukamanya munyankora ne fume kuja ngo taro mwika gukutumbuka taro mu nigabasa kubagabe gari amazina so kuyahereze kwemanya nguwe no mukuru yakore byakwina yazo mukushambana kukubagambira you never know tikudani mutwero mushamba konka which yakozere cyo bamugambira nco basaka amazimane wagina mutima but all in all etirunja kija yafuno ndijo mushija umushiru yafunire.
She however thanks God for all she managed to overcome through consistent hard work and prayer, and is grateful that she has a second chance at marriage. So when my byonna byabireho Komuntale are very happy jangu abasize kandi funa mukondo ndijo. So what do you think about that?
It's fine when abasa kubarira ke.
So Ruth Komuntale says, I thank God for not only blessing the work of my hands, but for also blessing me with a second chance at marriage with an amazing man who is after God's own heart.
Amen. So now no rubbish to whatever ya ndinga bakazi, but all in all era na ajyamushija wa kabiri kikuye cyo kuja ngo akaremwa makuru nyoni ngaruka n'ikigamba. So abakwenda byinje uri muno turi ya program yo mwera tunakora na beza nze na Sky nana wano ndabyinje kumanya ari Komuntale na nabandi bona bakwenda kumanya cyo rakore always put their comment za comment gotero cyo kwenda tukuretere we gonna do it for you straight out. So abisti nabwe nubwo kwa Komuntale my message goes to Komuntale wowe manyobu nuzinkafe no yitu MP. So even nana hano basa kurugaho wakarukoka kore biwakozere kuri nyoni. On behalf of Nkore Media, we thank you for watching us. Mwebali kutura program no mwera to mbetu direseni to mnoga to pushing and to follow us on all media platforms and to want to
was Skyna na hamwe na meyazinzete program no mwera to kandi of course to the Nkore Media production. The channel akoreza YouTube channel yetu or subscribing or liking a videos zitu or sharing or hitting a notification button kugira ngo kandi Nkore Media channel akoretere ubasa gukora ki ubasa kuturefuna aho naho tutale comment yawe #take a comment yawe oteke Nkore Media production, then when we meet the next show tugamba cyenyine cyo wakora ki cyo watsama Nkore
waye manyobo nuzika kwene no yitwe MP.